Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. What I thought I would do now is talk a little bit about investing in gold. This topic actually came up about 2 or 3 weeks ago in a comment thread from a viewer asking if it's possible to invest in gold on Robinhood. So I thought I'd just kind of quickly talk about investing in gold and how that's able to be done on Robinhood, on the stock market in general. So gold, there's a number of different ways in buying gold. You can buy gold futures, coins. You can buy gold companies, mutual funds, jewelry, so on and so forth. But you can also invest in gold ETFs. So I thought I'd go through and pick out three pretty reasonably priced ETFs that are centered on gold and not gold mining businesses, not gold companies, but gold itself. So these are three different ETFs here I think would be great additions to a portfolio if you're looking to add gold. There's a number of reasons to add gold. First and foremost, it's just a way of diversifying your portfolio. Gold is not correlated to stocks, bonds, or real estate, so it's on its own. And gold is also a great way of hedging against a downturn in the market with regards to increasing inflation as well. So it can help diversify, and it does have its advantages on certain trends within the market, but for the most part, it's just a good diversification tool. So having said all that, let's kind of jump in and go through three different ETFs I found that are reasonably priced, below $15, and are invested in gold only. So not gold companies, not gold mining companies, so on and so forth. These are actually companies that invest in gold themselves. And by company, I mean ETF that invests in gold. The underlying securities are in gold. So this one here, IAU, iShares Gold Trust. If we go to the bottom here, you can see this is using gold bars held in vaults around the world. PE ratio 15. Again, it's a very reasonably priced stock here at $11.59. Over 5 years, you can see this has gone down quite a bit here, but that's because the market over the last 5 years has been very, very strong. So typically there's a negative correlation from what I understand between really how the market's doing overall and gold prices. Also, it has to do with inflation as well. With interest rates as well. Now, over the last 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, in 1 year, it's kind of down. So sort of in a contrarian investment strategy, this might be a good time to pick up gold. Again, this is an ETF, has an underlying number of underlying securities that are invested in gold bars held in vaults around the world. The second stock here, GLDI. This is another gold ETF here. Does not have the description on the bottom there, but again, it's similar to the last one. It's basically in possession of gold, physical gold. This isn't a gold mining company or a company that deals with gold. This is actually the holding of physical gold itself. As the last stock kind of demonstrated, the performance over the last 5 years is down 1 year as well. 3 months and 1 month, 1 week and 1 day. So not a lot of movement over the last 5 years. But again, this is a way of hedging your market, diversifying your portfolio. It's very reasonably priced as well. So this might be a great addition if you are looking to get into gold. And the last one here, Merca Gold Trust, OUNZ. You can see on the bottom here, this tracks the gold spot price, less expenses using gold bars again, and coins held in London vaults. So again, physical gold, PE ratio there, 9.29. You can see it's trending on pretty much its 52-week low as well. And then, as was demonstrated with the other stocks, kind of an up and down. Over the last 1 year, it's down. 5 years, it's actually up in contrast to those other two ETFs. But a lot of movement here. And again, this would be a way of diversifying by holding gold physically itself. Again, you're not holding it, but it's held in vaults around the world. So OUNZ, GLDI, and IAU. Three different ETFs that are invested in physical gold, which would be something that you could add to your portfolio. I'm not entirely sure if this is right for my portfolio at the moment. I'm essentially forming a portfolio around high cap, high dividend blue chip companies, and gold would be something I could play around with a bit, I suppose. But for right now, I'm not really interested in investing in gold. But I know this had come up in a comment thread, so I thought I'd put out a video for the user that asked me about gold and how they can get it into gold, actually having physical gold. Again, not gold mining companies, not gold futures, but physical gold itself. So 3 different ETFs here, very interesting ETFs. I'm not sure if I'm going to add these to my portfolio. But a question for you guys would be, are you guys invested in gold at all? And why are you invested in gold? A little bit new to gold, haven't bought or sold gold in the past, have not incorporated into my portfolio. So I'd be interested to hear if you guys have gold in your portfolios, and if you do, why you have it in your portfolio. So yeah, just wanted to talk about gold and buying gold on Robinhood and buying gold stock market in general. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, I hope you guys have been learning a lot. I've been learning a ton. And like I said, if you guys have any thoughts about adding gold to a portfolio, let me know why and what the purpose is. I'm always very interested in learning more about the market. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.